SR latch, also called 1-bit memory device. Latch is bistable circuit which has two stable states. SR latch has two inputs, set and reset, and two outputs, Q and Q bar, which is complement of one another. In this SR latch, this NOR gate is a basic building block. Before going to study this SR latch, we have to consider this truth table of the NOR gate. Here in 2 input NOR gate, output Y is equal to A plus B whole complement. As 2 inputs are there, 4 combinations are possible. 0 0, you are getting here 1, 0 plus 1, 1, complement of that 0 0 0, means in this NOR gate one of the input is a 1, in that case output is a 0 0 0. Okay. Here first in also SR latch, first condition is, suppose S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 and suppose initial values of Q bar is a 0 and Q is equal to 1. Then this Q bar is equal to S plus Q whole complement, and here Q is nothing but your R plus Q bar, and as this is a NOR gate, complement of this R is equal to 0 plus Q bar and double complement is nothing but your Q, and here S bar S plus Q. Here S is equal to 0 plus Q whole bar, means Q bar. Therefore, when your input is a 0, there is a no change in the this output remains as it is. Suppose consider the initial values of this Q as a 0, Q as a 0 and Q bar as a 1. Then see here, suppose you are considering Q bar is equal to 1. Okay, then 0 and 1, what you are getting here over here, complement of this. According to this truth table, one of the input is a 1, in that case output goes to 0, and here this 0 and this 0 both the inputs are 0 here, both the inputs are 0, in that case output becomes 1. Means here, suppose you are considering q bar is equal to 1 and q is equal to 0, and you are applying 0 0 at the input, output is not changing. Means when s is equal to 0, r is equal to 0, we say it is a no change case. Next, suppose you are applying s is equal to 1 and r is equal to 0. Okay, in that case what happens? One of the input to this s or s is equal to 1, then output goes to 0. Okay, when one of the input to the gate is 1, whatever may be the output, second output, it makes no difference, q bar becomes 0 here. Okay, and this 0 is applied to this. Suppose this is the second first gate and this is your second gate, then 1 is applied, 0 is applied to this gate, 0 0 0 0 0 plus 0 complement of this, you are getting 1, therefore it becomes 1. And when q becomes 1 and q bar becomes 0, when s is equal to 1, q is equal to 1, this is your set stage. Okay, next, when s is equal to 0 and r is equal to 1, then one of the input to this NOR gate is, to this first gate is 1, output becomes, q becomes 0 here, and this 0 is applied to the second NOR gate, 0 0 0 plus 0 and complement, it becomes 1. Okay, means in this case when s is equal to 0, r is equal to 1, q becomes 0 and q bar becomes 1. This is your reset stage. Means in a reset output is 0. In HR latch, when both the inputs are same, means 1 1, s is equal to 1, r is equal to 1, in that case one of the input is this NOR gate 1 and NOR gate 2 is a 1 1, then both the output is equal to 0 0. Both these gate will try to become 0. This is not acceptable, and therefore this stage is called prohibited stage. Prohibited stage means when input is a s is equal to 0 1, r is equal to 1, it is reset stage. 1 0, it is a set stage, and no change, or sometimes it is called memory stage. Okay, thank you.